Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over my stock picks for the week of October 4th through the 8th. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. Alright guys, before we get into the picks for this week, we're going to talk about a recap of last week. So my picks were Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG, Moderna, ticker symbol mRNA, and SoFi Technology, ticker symbol SOFI. Alright guys, so if we look at each of these on the 5-day, all of them actually created some pretty decent buying opportunities for us. We had kind of a rough couple of weeks, and our plays here fell down each a few percent, but then recovered later on the back half of the week. So for a swing, you'd have had to have been patient, or if you're looking to average down, it created a good opportunity for you. So Golden Nugget got as low as 17.15, finished at about 18.25 for the week on the trading day. Moderna actually dropped down all the way down to 3.29. I didn't know if it was going to go. I didn't think it was going to go down actually past the 400 level, but it actually did. So got as far as at 3.29 on the way down, and then finished at 3.41 for the week. SoFi Technology got as far as $15.60 down, and then finished at 16.45 for the week. Alright guys, so my picks for this week are Tesla, and if you can't afford Tesla, then you may want to consider hopping into FNGU. That's the 3 times leverage ETN. That's going to track all of our major tech plays, including Tesla. And when Tesla moves, this thing seems to move as well. CEI, which is Camber Energy. If you keep up with the channel, I made a couple of videos about them recently, and they've had a lot of buzz online. Had a big run up, big pullback, but I'm looking at the charts, and I'm expecting it to somewhat recover sometime during the week, and then maybe make a move back towards the upside. And then DraftKings or GNOG, as you know that DraftKings bought out GNOG, so GNOG is going to follow DraftKings, so you can really buy either or, and it's going to basically give you roughly about the same percentage return if it does spike up. So I gave you the reason kind of for CEI already. Let me talk about Tesla. This link will be in the description below. I'm not going to read the whole article, but Tesla delivered 241,300 vehicles in the third quarter, topping their expectations of 220,900. Okay, so a big deal right here, and a lot of buzz online about Tesla beating expectations, and I think that it's going to fly this week, and it may come out Monday very, very aggressively with a spike to the upside. DraftKings, guys, I think with the Patriots and Buccaneers game, that's a kind of a big, really, really big hyped up game with Tom Brady going back and playing the Patriots, and I think that the betting's going to be big on there, and I think that DraftKings could probably release some type of numbers or something on that potentially to make it pop a little bit. But even not, I mean, at these levels, if it's $50 or below for DraftKings, under $20 for GNOG, I think are creating some good buying opportunities, and there's no reason that they are, in my opinion, that cheap. So I think they're going to start moving back up as well. So our watch list for me is IDEX and IQST. Just for IDEX, has been kind of bleeding out, staying around hopefully a $2 mark, and I'm just wanting to see if it's going to start moving back up, and maybe can finish 215, 220 at least for the week. And then IQST the same. I want to see what it can do, if it can pop above 50 cents and hold it, or if we're going to continue to stay in the 40s, maybe go lower. If so, then I'll buy some more. Really, for me, anything under $1 for sure, around 50 cents or below, is a very, very attractive price point for me. So okay guys, so that's my picks and my watch list for the week. Of course, Zion Oil and Gas is on there too, but I mean, that's kind of a given as I'm watching that like a hawk. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But let's take a look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. Alright guys, looking at Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So we are currently in a bearish pattern. I do not expect that to be the case come Monday morning, I think that pre-market we are going to change from a bearish to a bullish pattern fairly quickly, and then we're going to start making a move to the upside. If we don't, if we start going down, expect it to bounce off of that 762 support level, and you have an 815 resistance level. Okay, that's the first level and leg up that you have to bust through in order for us to take even more move to the upside. So I think that it could potentially, it's depending on the amount of momentum we have off of this news, we could flirt with 800 this week, in my opinion, or close to 800. So I'll have to just kind of wait it out and see. But overall, you know, we are above that SMA line. We're looking pretty healthy, and I think we should move easily up to that upside. FNGU, guys, remember I talked about, you know, if you can't afford Tesla, you can take a look at FNGU because they're going to track the major tech plays, including Tesla. And as you see here, we did get a buy signal on a Friday after hours. So it's interesting to see if we can get in around here, around that 33.50 mark. Then I think easily we bounce above, bust above that 35.19 support. And the key thing is we got to get above 36.19 and hold of that red SMA line to confirm a major longer term reversal. Next up, we're going to talk about CEI. And as you see here, this thing ran up all the way to 485. We are currently bleeding out in a bearish pattern. We could go, if it bounces off at 312, then that would probably be my entry. But if we bust below it, then look to enter somewhere in the twos, maybe 260, 275, because I don't know if it's going to bounce all the way down to 259 and then possibly make a move back up. But this one here had, you know, it was a big hype play, I know. A lot of people were piling into it and everything, but it's actually a really good company. If you missed the overview video, it's popping up in the right hand corner of your screen. Take a look at that because it actually is a really, really good company and has a lot of upside potential moving forward. I'm just not sure where the bottom is just yet. I don't know if that's the bottom that we're looking at here or if we're going to have a little bit more downside before we start making our move back to the upside. It's one just to be careful with. If you get in, I would set a tight stop loss on it just in case we do have more downside, because that's always a potential risk that you carry with these plays, especially the ones that have had such a big run up. They pull back pretty aggressively. So we're going to look at DraftKings, which bounced off of that major level of support of 47.30. Then we have a current resistance of 53.09, and that's a good healthy sign of price strength for us. However, we are underneath that SMA line and we need to get above it. So we got to get above $56 and hold in order to confirm a overall longer term upward uptrend. Okay, now we're going to look at Golden Nugget, which actually needs to get redrawn because of the time frame that changed. We're going to go 10:01. Just bear with me here. 10:10. Trying, guys. Oh Lord, my hands are not cooperating. Oh well, close enough. 23:24. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, so updated the fib level on Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Red SMA line currently sitting at 1885 is what we need to get above and hold in order to get back above it and show a bigger sign of price strength. Again, this one here, guys, is going to be based off of DraftKings though, but I just want to show you this level here. So we're about to bust through that resistance level of 1820. Actually, we did bust above it, so if we can stay above there, that's a good sign. Next leg up would be 2013, then 23.24 would be the next one up, and that we would have to hit. And if we do that, then I think we're easily going to start making our move back to around $30 for sure, back to about the $25 mark. But we got to watch DraftKings. That's the main thing, because this stock follows DraftKings. As it goes up, it goes up. As it goes down, it also comes down with it as well. So watch list. We talked about IDEX, and it looks like the floor is about 189. We're still in a bearish pattern, so I expect hopefully we can start moving back up again. Like I said, maybe about that 220 mark and hold there. If we can finish around there for the week, I'd be happy. Obviously, anything higher than that would be great as well. And then IQST, This one here, a lot of good things going for it, guys, and just so under the radar and so cheap. So we got to get about 52 cents in hold for the SMA line. About 60 cents is our major overall resistance, support of about 21 cents. So I'm hoping that this one can bust back up and get at least about 60 cents for the week, but we'll have to just kind of wait it out and see. So anyway, guys, just wanted to give you those picks for the week. Hope it helped. I hope you can get out there and make some educated decisions based on the technicals that we provided. Let me know your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know what you're buying, holding, or selling this week. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.